脚击他们刮刀！退缩！绕网路啊！这是自寻死路！
Rescue Sable from the demons. Sable repays me with bullets to... Nice.
This is Sable Control. What's our situation in Nomad? Observation post up. We'll relay any priority sightings.
I saw some real sketchy looking guys near here. Bad news, man.
Appreciate the tip. The neighborhood just got a little less friendly. Maybe I can dismantle this outpost before they have a chance to call for backup. Oh, guys, this is really starting to verge on stalking.
Echo Charlie, engage! Moving on target. Eyes up! Incoming grenade!
Really wish Sable would tell our agents to chill already.
Agents, this is Control. What's the situation in Longacre?
This is Armored Patrol reporting in. No sign of the target. Lethal force authorized, Patrol. He's here!
Hey, does this turn into a robot? That was sweet. They deserved it.
That was amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That's right, it's me.
Thank you. My husband thanks you. My kids thank
Hello.
you.
I'm getting embarrassed. Don't look.
This town loves you. Boycott the Bugle. Unfair hiring practices.
I've expressed my concern with Sable International's heavy-handed tactics. Our next caller witnessed them firsthand. Tell us what happened.
A bunch of us were protesting Sable, standing up for our rights like you always say, and suddenly they just start beating on people and arresting us for no reason.
This is always the risk of giving anyone too much power. They abuse it. Be aware that if you stand up to them, there may be consequences. It's up to you whether that's a risk worth taking. For me, clearly it is.
The crazy thing was, Spider-Man set us free.
Yes, well that's what happens when the supposed authorities start breaking the law. Next to them, other lawbreakers don't seem so bad. Thanks for calling. We're out of time.
Reported assault in progress. Incident is active near Times Square. Proceed with caution.
An assault. I better step in.
My company drove me bankrupt and bought me out. You're the man of business.
Try hitting me. Spoiler, I hit back.
You show him.
Oh what, it's not fun getting beat up? We'll sit with that for a while.
Thank you. They were gonna kill me.